I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good when I'm alone, leave me in the studio, daily self-discovery, holiday recovery, they love them instead of me, but still, bad things, there's a lot of bad things, they wish and 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 She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, y'all know feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lying bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. It's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still, bad things. There's a lot of bad things. They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish.